Hello friends, once again you are welcome to my Auto MT YouTube channel and where I share with you new and upcoming car news. So today I am going to share with you 2023 redesign or all new Mazda CX-9 or 90 and new features with key and features and release dates etc. So come to the point. The CX-90 will be the largest, most luxurious of the 5 new SUVs announced by the Mazda and which are designed to challenge premium brands like Audi, BMW SUVs, and Mazda Australia is currently considering the CX-90 for our market and alongside the CX-70 and CX-80, while the CX-60 upper mid-size SUV has been confirmed already and similarly sized CX-50 entirely ruled out due to its built in America status. While we are unlikely to get all the models under consideration, Sonia Singh, the senior manager of the public relations and corporate communication at Mazda Australia, told already regarding the CX-60, CX-70, CX-80 and CX-90. All 4 SUVs on the large architecture platform are available to the Australia and we are currently assessing whatever each has really strong business case that process take into account that we have the broadest lineup of any Mazda market globally. So guys, say goodbye to Mazda CX-9. Its successor is on the way sometimes within the next few years. The CX-90 will replace the CX-9 as Mazda 3-row SUV P-Wagon. The new model will offer more space inside the cabin than its predecessor and the CX-90 is the CX replacement, serving those who want to 3-row SUVs and are not interested in driving another Toyota Highlander and Honda Pilot. On the 2023 CX-90, AWD will come standard, giving the large SUVs some capability of the beaten path. And although full specifications have not been released, we know it will offer inline 6-cylinder and a plug-in hybrid powertrain option. The plug-in hybrid model should offer some all-electric range, allowing driver to travel on electricity alone during short trips. So although the CX-9 was not the most spacious 3-row SUV, it was on one of the more entertaining to drive thanks to nimble handling and composed ride. We expect the CX-90 will exhibit much of the same sprint on the road. The 2023 Mazda will introduce 3 brands new SUVs on its lineup. The first one being the CX-50. The mid-size crossover will enter production in January 2022 and CX-90 will follow, potentially arriving sometimes in 2023 or 2022 calendar year of 2023 model year vehicle. After that the CX-70 will debate sitting on the same large vehicle platform and as CX-90. This model however will feature 2 row of sitting instead of 3 and the Mazda CX-90 competitors are like Kia.